Hello YouTube, my name is Sarah if you didn't know, and today's situation is my March, or I guess like spring Lululemon haul. So if you didn't know, I did a 2-month long no-buy, so that was from January to the beginning of March. So this month when I came back to buying, I went a tiny bit overboard. After a no-buy, trying to figure out what is like an appropriate amount to buy is a little bit hard, but I'm still working on it. So hopefully you enjoy. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna start with accessories. I never really buy a lot of accessories from Lululemon, but this month I bought 2. So the first thing I bought that's an accessory is the Release and Recover ball set. So it comes in this convenient drawstring bag. It is 3 different textured balls that you use to like roll out your back, roll out your legs, roll out your arms, that type of stuff. And since they're really small, you can also get targeted areas or do like your hands, the bottom of your feet really easily. And obviously the reusable bag is great so that you can keep them all together. So I really love that. The price of these is $38. They're not currently on the website, but they do come and go, and my store still has them actually in the store, so you might still be able to find them. This is a dense foam and rubber blend. There is latex in it, so if you do have a latex allergy, these might not be for you. But honestly, it's just a nice little like massage set, and I like using them after a workout or when I wake up or after a stretch. Just keep in mind that obviously you can get like roller balls anywhere. Some people use tennis balls or golf balls, and those are all going to be cheaper alternatives. But if you don't mind spending a little bit of money, I think these are really cool and they're pretty, so there you go. And the second accessory I got was a yoga block. So as you can see, I'm loving lilac. I think both of these are so pretty. Not only are they functional, but they're super pretty. Now that COVID is a thing, I realize how kind of gross it is to use yoga blocks at studios, so I wanted to get my own. This is only $18 and I think that's a super reasonable price. So this is made from foam. It's quite dense, so it holds your weight, and it's nice because obviously this is a rectangle and you can get 3 different lengths of support. So if you put it on the ground this way, this is going to be the highest. If you put it this way, a little bit lower, and if you put it this way, a little bit lower. So I absolutely love this, not only because it's functional, but it's really pretty, and it has definitely made my yoga experience better. I didn't realize how much I needed one of these, so I'm happy that I got it. Moving on to the one and only sports bra I got the In Alignment straight strap, and if you've watched any of my other videos, I also have this in black, but recently Lululemon came out with a C to D cup support, whereas the first one was A to B, and I definitely have a larger chest than an A or B, so this one, which is in Lavender Dew, is a much better fit. And so now the inside difference is it has like seamed support there, and the waistband is actually there and supportive. So this is a really, really comfortable bra. It is made of like the most buttery soft material. It has the cups that you can take out, which I normally don't wear with cups, but they're just in there. You have the adjustable straps, which is always great for a customized fit, obviously. And then the clasps that you can adjust, a 3-hook clasp. I absolutely love this bra. It's so comfortable, and of course the Lavender Dew is a beautiful color. But again, this is a light support bra, so for me, someone who is a triple D, I'm not going to be wearing this running or anything. I just use it as a bralette and a comfortable bra to wear every day. And this bra is $68, so I highly recommend this guy. The next item is actually a men's t-shirt, because at the beginning of the month, Lululemon replaced the 5-year basic line with the fundamental line. So it's just a basic tee, pretty similar cut to the 5-year basic. The difference is though, is that this one is abrasion resistant fabric. If you've ever had the 5-year basic tee, you know it's a little bit stretchy and on the thinner side. This one is a little bit thicker and not as stretchy, but it's still extremely comfortable. So even if you're a girl, I really do recommend trying these out for just a basic tee. And there's so many in the line, like the tank top, long sleeve, Henley long sleeve, pocket. So I think it's a super cute shirt, and it's nice because even though it's just like a basic cotton t-shirt, it also has the no stink zinc. So when you're wearing it, it's going to stop the buildup of odor, body odor, which means that you can wear the shirt longer between washes or just longer for the day, even if you're kind of working out or sweating. So it's a really great upgrade. but these are still quite affordable at $64 for a lot of technology behind a cotton t-shirt. Although I'm a girl, I still wear lots of men's items and I really enjoy them, so definitely check out the men's section because they do have stuff that's really unisex. All through Lululemon, I believe almost all of our stuff is unisex. So the next thing I got is the Quilted Calm jacket. So this is a quilted jacket, kind of like almost like a mock neck. Like the neck is a lot higher than I think I would like. Maybe it's supposed to be rolled down, I'm not fully sure. But it's also cropped, and I feel like it works on my body pretty well because I have a short torso. A lot of people that I work with would try this on and they would be super tall and not like really love it. Just as a little bit of feedback in case you were gonna go buy it. But obviously if you like crop jackets and you're tall and you want this, 100% go for it, but that's just kind of the feedback that I've heard about it. So this jacket is made of a mix of the cotton terry fabric as well as Primaloft. So on the inside it's smooth, on the outside it's textured, and I think it's just a cute jacket that you can wear and it's not going to be like, oh, that's a Lululemon item. Like, it's very basic and works well into a lot of different wardrobes. And I don't have too many just kind of basic spring layering jackets, so I thought this one would be really nice to try out. Originally, it was $154. It is currently on sale, I feel like for like less than $100 to my understanding. One thing I wish is that the pockets had zippers, but it's not a big deal. I got it in a size 8, just so it fit a little bit oversized and I get a little bit more length out of it, but it is already meant to be a bit oversized to my understanding, so keep that in mind while you're choosing sizes. Moving on to leggings, this is where I 100% went overboard and I just got excited that I was back to buying items and colors that I'd been looking for all month went on sale. So I bought 3 pairs of Aligns, which is really aggressive. I got the Align in the Guava Pink. Got these in a 25 inseam in a size 8. I got the Lavender Dew again in the 25 inseam in a size 8. And I got the Willow Green in a 25 in a size 6. So that's a lot of Aligns. I kind of feel like I don't need any more Aligns ever again. But just to quickly go over, if you don't know what Aligns are, they're made of the Nulu fabric, buttery soft, the most comfortable pants at Lululemon, but they're super delicate. I have a whole video describing kind of what that means and what goes into these, so if you want to watch that, I'll have it linked. Otherwise, just know that these are not made for working out. They're definitely more for yoga and light activity. So if you wanted to buy these to go running or spinning or do a HIIT class, these are basically guaranteed to pill on you. But if you use them for yoga, kind of light use, everyday wear, they're so comfortable and so worth it. So these are $98, come in a range of lengths, and they also just made pockets in these. So if you love this fabric, now they make them with pockets. All of these are the most gorgeous colors. I don't wear a ton of colors, but these all make me want to try because they're just so pretty. Like I said again, all of these went on sale this month. They were very hard to come by, but the moment I had an in-store return, I snatched them up because they're just so pretty and I love them. What I will say though about these two, the Lavender Dew and the Guava Pink, is they are double lined, so they definitely are thicker than a single line. So if I have these stacked on top of each other, you can definitely see that the pink is way thicker than the green. For me, that makes them not super high rise. Like I can't pull them up as high as I can pull up the single lined. And I think in the future I probably won't buy double lined anymore because I just don't think it flatters me, but I could not pass up these colors. There's my Align collection. And the next pair of tights I got are the Everlux and Mesh High Rise 23 cropped in the dark terracotta in a size 6. These have mesh on the back of the leg and they have a drawstring as well as a little pocket in the back. And if I'm being honest, I didn't think I would love this color for my skin. I kind of thought it would make me look naked, but it's a gorgeous color and I love these tights. I wish I could have picked them up in black. They randomly went on sale, and so I was like, I need to try these because everyone was saying that they were so flattering, so comfortable. If you don't know, Everlux is the fastest drying material. It's great for HIIT workouts and like high intensity. the outside is brushed, very similar to the Aligns, but the inside is like a cooling, quick drying, sweat wicking, slick fabric, and they're just so comfortable. The rise of these is so flattering. This small detail, small seam is so flattering. And on me, a 23 inseam is a full length, so that's why I really like that length, because it's generally considered a cropped, which means less money, but it's still full length on me. So I absolutely love these. There's still a 25 inseam version online, so if you can get your hands on either the cropped or those, I highly recommend these. They're so cute and so comfortable. Next, I have the LA Warm Down Joggers. As you can see, it matches my shirt. That's why I just had to get these, because I got this shirt last year and now I have a matching set in a super comfortable pant. So these are made of the cotton terry fabric, so it's super soft and super breathable against your skin. It doesn't feel like heavy and overwhelming like some sweatpants can be, but these are like super light. And I actually did yoga in them and they were so comfortable, and I felt just like a little bit more comfortable in my body having something loose. So on those type of days, something like that jogger or in the cotton terry fabric I think is a good alternative to like tights if you're not quite feeling it. They are a 26-inch inseam, which for me is better in a jogger than a 28, because 28 is just too long for my legs. But these are high rise, they have pockets, they have a waistband but no drawstring, which kind of sucks because I like to have drawstrings in my joggers, but that's okay. And then it has the Lululemon symbol on the back, which I really like this design more than just a logo. Kind of personal preference. These are $118 and I got them in a size 8. Honestly, I really did just get them to make this a matching set, but they're super comfortable and I actually like these more than the Warm Down joggers in the Modell fabric. So I'm really happy with these. The pattern and speckled print is so cute. I'm a big fan. And the last thing I got this month is the Perfectly Poised dress. Right away, right off the bat, I'm going to tell you guys, this is on sale for $59 in the We Made 2 mug section. This absolutely gorgeous dress is so cheap. You have to try it out. It was originally $158. That is a crazy price. But for whatever reason, they didn't sell that well, so they got super marked down, and I think it is so gorgeous. It's an all the way button-up dress, and it also comes with a tie, so you can kind of cinch the waist or play around with it. I found 3 different ways to wear this, where you wear it without the tie, so it's just kind of like a shapeless shift dress. I think that looks great on my body. You can tie the tie in the front and put a little bow, or you can tie it in the back, and both of those ways will give you a bit more shape in the dress. It does have a collar, which just makes it look a little bit more professional, so that's nice, and it has pockets. You know how we feel about pockets. Pockets are so nice in women's clothing. It is made of the Cupro Modell fabric, so it's a very structured fabric, but it doesn't feel heavy. It drapes really well, naturally breathable, and soft and smooth. It's also quick drying, so if you're at work kind of hustling around and you kind of start sweating, it dries super quick, which is very nice. So it's meant to be an above the knee fit. Because I'm short, it definitely is a little bit longer than that, but that doesn't bother me because I like my dress those lengths. Also, just so you know, it is quite oversized. I got a 4 in this dress when I originally tried on an 8, and it was just way too shapeless on me, so the 4 is so much better. If you don't have the opportunity to try this on, I would recommend sizing down, but just know that this top button is a little bit snug around my neck, but if it means that the dress isn't like completely oversized, I would prefer that than having a dress that's like a looser neck but way too big. I know not a lot of people are super excited about this. Maybe it was the price to begin with, but now that it's marked down, I really recommend checking that out if you can get into a store to try on, or check the size charts. I love the dress, so hopefully you guys will too. So that's all I got in my March haul. I think it's actually quite a bit, unfortunately, especially because I was coming off a no-buy. I was just super excited about stuff. So hopefully next month I do better and a lot more reasonable. But if you guys do enjoy these videos, definitely let me know down below. I will have all the items linked as long as they're still available, or at least just the names in the description down below. So make sure to check those out and check out my other videos if you haven't. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!